Manipur asi ing tappa chawkhatpa amadi manglomda changsinba state ama oinaba hodnaminashi haina governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana miyamda appeal tawrakli. Wafam asi Imphal gi Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre da pangthokiba Sangai Festival lisingani kungamanga loishinmagi thauramda phongdokibani. Manipur lainga ki Tourism Department senduna haukiba November kungamathoidagi numit tarani chupna chatharakpa festival asi loishinmagi thauram aduda governor na makha taraduna Manipur ki tourism sector hene yokhat nabalengak na hotnari connectivity gamari lainaba infrastructure development kayasu state asida thabak paikhatli. Chahi asigi Sangai festival asi pangthokpada challenges kaya thengnarabasu state asigi nat amasung culture gi chauthok chabasingdi miyamda laiki. Festival asi namata oibagi wakalon utpagaloinana ing tappa madi manglomda changsinba lamdam ama oinabagi pausel pi haina phongdoki. Loinana festival asi haudokpa numitta Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy gi mahiroi amadi oza singna utkiba performance amadi ngasi loishinba numitta Government Dance College ki mahiroi amadi oza singna utkiba performance singda apenba phongdokladuna pungning thaugatki. Thauramada Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal, Security Advisor yauna lainga ki makok thongbo official kayana saruk yaki.
As we bring this edition to close, let's carry forward the message of unity, resilience and cultural pride. Some part of the dance also talked about unity and no violence. So perhaps what we learn and see, we need to follow that. May the Sangai festival continue to inspire peace, togetherness and progress of our beloved state. In any family, in any life, we always face sorrows and happiness. Doesn't mean that sorrow, after every sorrow, happiness also comes. So we need to be accepting those kind of things. Ups and downs happen in the life. We accept and move forward. I hope the next edition would bring all stakeholders and artists on this stage next year. And it will be a beautiful program, grand program in the years to come.